Weekly horoscope, week commencing 18th October till 24th of October. The preview, preview. Preview is a in which we only share one part out of all the 6 parts of the premium content. Preview is we only share the conclusion part 1. In premium content, we have transits for this coming week, transit of moon, the impact of moon's transit on you, what are the results, conclusion part 1, conclusion part 2, the task precautions and chanting. Precautions you need, task you need it to balance the astrological equation if you want to. Precaution what you shouldn't do, and the chanting how you can boost yourself up spiritually. All the elements are there in the premium content, but if you want to, then you can visit my website prakashastrologer.com and acquire the premium content from my website. These weekly horoscopes or the monthly horoscopes, even the yearly horoscopes which I produce, these are applied horoscopes. They are fully applicable, and a lot of information is given to you. You can change or maneuver the astrological equation if you want to for your benefit, and a lot of things is given to share with you. You can take advantage of these particular horoscope, weekly horoscope. If something is important coming in the coming week, and like as a job interview or legal case court date or any particular important meeting, and you want to see that what the best you can do, or presentation, or the particular event of the week, you want things go smoothly, whatever the help you can take it astrologically as given in this particular weekly horoscope. But the premium content we share the whole, but the preview we only share the part. But in this preview as well, you have to watch the video till the end, because in the last part of we call supporting statement for each and every sign, which is individual according to your weekly horoscope, individual horoscope for each and every sign. So we define the equation and try to explain to you what is what. But at the end of the day is your choice. My weekly horoscopes are applied horoscopes. If you are concerned about the coming week and you need some sort of a support, guidance or help, and you want to maneuver your astrological equation, then these are horoscopes are for you. How important is the coming week for you, and what are the important events happening, which at what stage you are in your life, at what moment you are in, and what you want to achieve. So it's all depend on you. There is purely applied astrology weekly horoscopes. So if you want to apply and use the application of astrology and maneuver the equation and achieve the benefit, and if you want to do that, it's entirely up to you. It's all depend on, this is not wishy-washy kind of horoscope, this will happen, this will explain to you what is what. More magnifying as much we can for the complete information for the coming week. So best of luck for all of you. But kindly watch the whole video till the end. Cancerian weekly brief forecast, week commencing 18th October till 24th October. Cancerian in this coming week, due to Jupiter, Saturn in 7th house. May I say that this particular week you must look after your marriage, look after your health, look after your companionship. Sun position 4th house, look after your relationship. Mars, Mercury in 3rd house, watch your communication with people around you. Watch your aggression, watch your communication with people around you. Venus, Ketu position in 5th house. Refrain from any kind of a scandalous relationship. But look after your romantic side, please. Make sure you don't do anything which you can't justify. Rahu's position 11th house. Make sure that this particular scenario, you got to be extremely cautious and, may I say, very, very careful when you're dealing with decision maker or higher authorities. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week, like moon's transit effect. That will define you, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your gut feeling, your health, harmony, happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report define you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need to get out from any kind of a situation or equation. If you are in need of help, what precautions you must implement in your discipline to save your skin. What sacred chanting you must do in this particular week to achieve your supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Cancerian weekly conclusion. In this coming week, conclusion part 1 for Cancerian. In this coming week, you will achieve mixed fruit, mixed rewards. Financial backing will be better than before. Professionally, Cancerian, you'll be quite busy and you can be all over the place. There will be rise in status, prestige and honor. In foreign project, Cancerian, you'll get the support, guidance, help from the family members. By the weekend, your circumstances will be better, will be improved as compared to past. But there are a lot of secret tension you will hold very close to your heart, which you don't want to share with anybody. You don't want to make sure that you are holding a lot of things close to your chest, which is good. But make sure that you have to detox your stress. You will be participating in a lot of social events, religious events, a lot of mingling with people around you. Have to be very careful about your decisions, about your choices you're making now. You have to be extra careful.